Mike Milburn with JD Young Technologies, and today we'll be talking about the Canon ImageRunner 4535. So today we're going to take a look at how to replace the staples in your Canon ImageRunner 4535. The staples are located in the finisher, and the door to the finisher is right here. All you do is slide the door open and grab this little tab to remove the staple cartridge. Now I'm not going to take the staples out, but do not throw this whole thing in the trash, because if you do, you won't be able to put any staples back in the device. All you do, there's some arrows that actually point upwards right here. Simply grab those and remove the staple cartridge, snap the new one in, and then slide it right into this little track right here, and close the door. You're ready to start stapling. Thanks for watching. If you need more information on your Canon products, please visit jdyoung.com.